Money in a hand before cock for your whole.
TalkYuhTalk. Beryl.
The power back with the block, the power block with that again. Power block.
The shutters, my boy, say come back with the same that attitude. Because you're so
Your mother.
Killer.
Yeah. So the Stormtrooper fans them, the Beryl.
Beryl, we have a call it tonight. Beryl, come like a look, she come look for you.
I look, man, she not do nothing. Well, she not do poor more nothing.
Beryl, come check it out, them, you know.
She not do poor more nothing.
But I don't know, them are one next son I come, Chris. Where Chris I go?
Debbie.
Rasclad. Wicked man Chris. Walk one brother.
Chris and Debbie.
And Debbie too?
Yeah, man.
Debbie can't come, man.
But where Chris go?
Them say Chris must have take time, man. A drip.
Chris knows say, I'll be a man.
Me say Beryl go mash up over
Chris knows say
Mexico.
my girl clowns and can't come
Yeah,
out.
come spoil the little holiday where we are getting on
Chris
night.
again.
Chris again. This again.
Yeah.
Looking at them medicine for fire stick again.
Sorry, we're not even get that no vlog in our blood take hurricane.
Believe me, man.
We walk it.
In there. So.
I don't know one thing, but I must say, they light, you know. I must say, we never have no light.
Yeah, we never have no light, you know. Long ago, they make it for you back to light.
Yeah, only that light over.
You're fucked.
Right,
You have
true.
lights right through.
Yeah, man, there's a grade of hope
Uptown,
outside the place of light.
Right through. When I tell him all the light cut down, I say it come like a heart attack near the rate. We was all the phone about 5%.
You know what it is? It's you got light on in a heat.
Mosquito.
Buckle.
You hear me? I told you.
Bleach and bleach and
Sleep up most of Beryl. That moment tell you.
bleach, me a bleach. That me a tell you. Bleach, me a bleach. And also a date 3 o'clock to
Sorry, I'm not even
About 2 o'clock in the morning, I come out.
2-4 and all them things. I don't think I'm
I will miss after 2 in the morning. I'm
cool and all them things.
That's how we get.
Wait there.
Beryl, done.
I sleep, I go sleep. I'm get lame now. No breeze, no rain.
Joke this, brother.
Yeah.
Only the excitement.
One thing they have fucked up, the light, brother. The light, man, the water they gone.
Yo, adapt. Bad brother, never have no water, bro.
The wicked man. Water they bad, but they never
Then
stop.
what days was like that? About a week, you know.
Yeah, we go now, but 3-4 days we not like, brother.
Yeah, bunny.
3-4 days we not come back, brother.
Yeah, brother, right through, bro. Just no water never run over my side, brother. We have to catch beer back out the door when I time like a country lifestyle.
Country
Hear that?
lifestyle, yeah.
Them brothers.
TalkYuhTalk, I walk, you walk. Leave me, man.
Yeah, man, we are trying to keep the page active and drop more content, you know, so every man busy when I time them.
We have a hot topic of forward, you see it?
All the things. And plus,
We have
part
a
2 I
conversation.
move is so drop when I time them. I don't know when the time drop, but it's so drop.
Soon. Soon and very soon.
It's not so all you can work in a minute.
Only.
Yeah, and if you don't want to see we drop video regular, just remember say your comment, the content, then please, me I tell you. You see me, I remember when I write the script, you know.
Believe.
We just talk, you know.
Like,
Not
come
a script guy.
Yeah.
Not that script.
Not a script.
You're
Not
shot
a
to make
plan.
it short.
Remember, I said when done still can't write the script, we don't know A from B.
Done.
You're shot to make it short.
No shot it, make it short.
I say, I call her 17, I say, 17, I say, yeah man, I'm taking it, I say, shot to make it short.
So our blood clan Natch family make a look up. Dad, pick in a blood clan video when mom I say her somebody keep her phone to blood clan and say like history.
Believe me.
History in our place. Man was so how that possible.
Yeah,
So
so
that
how that
one
possible?
was
Please my phone and send me, come.
What's on the door?
so me love you.
Brain cells, plug
So me
out.
love you.
I can't do me.
Great says plug out.
Can't do me, them so me love you. I like give money back to my thing.
That's true.
Most couple business that.
So anybody thief nothing from me and sell me back, I'm a find out, bro. You have to run with the blood clot. I'm here
Most
to
couple
me
business
everything.
that.
Be long as I say,
Anything where mama said.
Mix up liquor with salt.
Yeah, man. A different intelligence
Poison
and
can kill
criminality.
you a different type of rain.
Right, man.
Let's say it's a DJ there, so we could find some just for the life.
Go live.
Yeah, for the life.
PH can go live.
Well, like, for YouTube.
Yeah, that's
I have YouTube can go live.
That time so YouTube can go live.
TikTok too, so
Yeah, just keep doing that. Because we have to drop the content then.
Really,
Yes, me, because YouTube, I recommend the video to people, bro.
subscribers,
Yes, me, I watch the algorithm,
fans.
bro.
Remember to send them to us. Yeah, everything, comments, like, share. Don't forget to share. Don't forget
Yeah,
to
and to all
subscribe.
of my fans them, when people are calling and them now get to know on that wagon, yeah, them are done with 3G and 2G, yeah? Get a
Really?
4G and 5G.
Really?
Have upgrade. But I live not easy. You have your phone for a long much years better. And then when you get rid of your good phone. With some fucking phone and the job is done. And you want your old phone to keep it, you know, say, you have your new phone same way, but you want your old phone, you know. Them want you get all new phone. System man, them want you constantly buy back.
Even that alone,
You see me? It's like a year boy.
they want to control everything.
plug out your phone.
They want to control everything.
Then plug out your phone, man, from the office. Out of the factory, the new stuff. Right now, you have to work with the new version. The old version is a lot of trouble. And you can't fix it. If you don't care that the wall of phone, man, you can't.
You can't fix that.
That I tell you, say you need to upgrade.
Upgrade.
Yeah, upgrade a blood clot. Still a beat my little bang here. Follow them up.
Fuck
I
up.
rep my bang of seater, rep the bang here till it's
See
done.
a lot of people are
Like
upgrading
your
them
blood
all of
class there, see new bang here, but
See how people are upgrading them all of them. Two SIM up. I have 14 and them thing there for a while.
Two SIM, you know?
Yeah.
I wonder if
the bang here use 2 SIM, you know.
I wonder if I try the Apple them there.
Nuts. Yeah.
But I never know of that. I never know how them I use 2 SIM.
Apple can use 2 SIM because I know, you know.
Yeah,
If I China Apple or why, you know.
Some Apple like them I use 2 SIM.
I know a couple of hours, 26 before me get a blood clot, 13 or 12. Before me I move back and time with that. Nah, take up $100 go buy a blood clot.
Man, they can't treat for like matrix in it, broke in that. And them get richer, you know.
Yeah, me I told you.
You have to maintain yourself in that. Yeah, man, if you follow vanity and them thing there, vanity and them thing, man. Money done, man. You don't own certain things, man.
So that's why I can't blood clot sell out the Android them.
Them I keep up on a balance.
Yeah, me I tell you.
On a big level still,
Android?
Android on our best phone, but I care what nobody wants it. You see me?
Believe.
No man, here iPhone. Here we get iPhone them props. They say quality wise.
Camera quality. It's a camera quality.
We're rating up for that. You see me? Although, but Android upgrade and I was take out quality wise, but Android active and I was thinking about iPhone quality different. You know I like it.
No glitch, no stop.
Believe me, man.
Touch everything up.
No blur.
No blur, no pieces.
Yo, all the stain on the shirt. Yeah, man,
It's a person shirt now, but no stain.
Stain by shirt, bumping in your face. Everything that a big bumbo
That can't change that.
Believe me.
But big up to the Android. Believe.
If you love the Android, my God, believe.
Remember that.
The iPhone can't do certain things.
Right now, let's see where they are going to beat some dragon. A fire will soon start spitting. You can stay there.
Stand there.
You might tell them we that done. I was going to dog say out. Where dog say again?
They build a brown paper.
Where dog? We feel the weed that done too fast.
Some say man build up a big head over here and throat a shot around me. And brother, me tell you, shoot too fast, me see man big head done me.
So long as stop smoke, this is my bag for you.
Yeah, you burn me the hard. I say, you burn me hard. Yeah, brother. He goes split.
Look like a funny boy that I drive on the phone.
Good name, yeah? I know about that. What's that? Yeah, one listen.
I can't hear me, I tell you. People must soon stop smoke. And as soon as I see the weed, you see me?
Go down with it. Pop Marley.
That's why I make it with the whistler.
Yeah, give me more whistler for more weed. Because you have pack a whistler and you want to stop smoke. You can't go stop because you have the pack a whistler. Believe.
She said the whole target out cover like them want to stop smoke. They don't want to go and go. It's a good one.
Healthy living we have,
Healthy
man.
living work, you know?
Because I do things for years, you know, dog.
Yes, we are doing this now.
No, same can't stop.
What does it can't stop?
How's it right now?
Yeah, right now, me
Right
can't
now?
stop.
Right now?
Right now, me just a blaze.
Believe.
Yeah, that's on the road clock. Too much Christmas.
Yeah, right now.
Just from break.
We're not so disciplined right now. We're not so disciplined. I can talk to you 2 months, 3 months.
Right now,
I can talk to you 2 months, 3 months, but me
I'm never gonna get rid of light of them.
Whistler,
Like
them.
everything.
buying weed.
Seasons.
And that metal man and give me more whistler for whistler, man. I'm there I try to get rid of
I'm
whistler.
gonna get rid of everything, boss boy.
Don't try to get rid of whistler already.
And just build back. You see me?
Go on, tell us, say, yo, I left my left bag in my dog car and I don't know where this come from. In a mobile. As a man will stop smoke all along. I say, hold on. Brother, mama will vex with me.
Yeah, man, I'm coming out money left in my pocket.
I say, hold on.
I find it next day.
Yo,
I put it down and even remember say I
you can't tell me that.
That brother, like when I left my money, I'm find it.
Well, I love 5 months.
See this time.
Believe me,
I love 5
man.
months.
You know,
More
Yeah,
than most of the
like
time.
the money never did feel so nice, you know.
Oh, when you
Oh,
find
God.
man.
Most of the time, yeah, most of the time, bro.
I swear.
Sometimes you find it when you have money, you know. I just say, blood clot, I'm not even remember this.
Yeah.
But you say you find it when you're broke.
Yeah, I said, boom,
But can you feel rich? You say, oh Jesus Christ.
thank you, right away,
Call
man.
like yesterday, you broke like dog, you know. Can't buy all the weed and you say, bum buckle man, frost, you know. I have all money in your bum buckle close to them for you, don't even know, you know. I don't think you're joking.
Wash all the pants and find all that fire bill.
Majority of the time, when you are watching the clothes, they find it back.
Be a weed and grab a wrist and money. That's the way. Yeah, but I grab her from what we kill, fill up.
Did it?
When you start remember back, I said, blood clot, I'm going to know somebody.
No, long that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they come in handy, ever come in handy.
Believe me, man.
Yeah, last, that's it.
At the right appointed time.
Ever come in handy.
Yeah. Life is so nice.
I tell you, when I was there, I saw easy and I pray all the most up on him. Big boy, I done the right this and I said, bum buckle, no.
Done.
I am a do it.
You know, so we watch the house I build up from, yeah, bro.
I think it was a plaza.
That thing was big to bum buckle.
Whitey! We love you, Taurus.
Whitey!
Hey! Hola!
See that?
Amigo.
Why we can enjoy Jamaica and tourist them and enjoy 24/7. Crazy.
Towards the mom move like more Jamaican now.
Believe. We don't want to fly half foreign. And Jamaica so nice. Yeah, we fly half foreign, yes. But they can't get foreign.
If you have money for you enjoy Jamaica for that.
Yes, I have a fly go foreign to make $80.
Special one.
That's why I say they can't get foreign minded.
Yo, the man them a fly go foreign and now free to make $9.
Something wrong.
Just come back to your blood fly.
Yeah, man, I bet you stay
go foreign. I look, you want to look for a skyscraper and a building already.
And even not try to get a
Look
white.
on the TV never enough for you. I think I look here, I look for say your blood clot, you can go dig some money out of the skyscraper for them there.
Yeah.
Right.
Them man if we call up back on them mother. We don't know if them have a rebound.
I will start.
Rebound man,
opportunity to make money. No get it. I only get opportunity, you know, I go look for blood clot building.
No, yes, styles.
I feel every blood clot where you go. Like you know that seat where you keep already. Where you have video people don't see already, you know. All people when you go there, them sleep on TV, you know.
Long.
So where you have video no new. You see me? But I say nothing wrong with that, you know, because you don't know. When you come like you get a new phone, you glad feet and show everybody.
Yeah, man.
You have to test every minute of the car. You see me, so.
Not far now go in a big breeze.
That's how I get head for your brain.
Go over the little breeze.
You know, so them things don't really get to you. You know, say, no, there's some money me have to make, you know, and to fuck my thing like that. Remember say, how their currency really worth it, you know.
Yeah, man.
You get the US currency out there, you know. Yeah, man, they're nice.
You can't lose focus too fast. Stay focused.
Keep your cheese on top. You can't make your cheese melt off like crackers.
Yeah, man. Don't make it slide.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to talk to a man, dog. I'm going to say some things. Say, dog, I say things. Dog, I want to feel me a bum. You feel me is a bum.
Yeah,
I'm going to tell you, dog. I'm going to say, no, dog, a bum, dog. I'm going to say, a bum, buckle. You think is a bum. And you tell that right now. Bum, buckle.
That is a bum.
I said, John, well, I see you.
We create all that. It's serious, man.
Hey, man.
I don't know.
No, chalala.
I pray, you know? Dollars.
Let me look at that point of it.
You know, look so nothing up from your seat now.
You see what I talk about? We're not exaggerate. Bumbleclaw. We're not exaggerate.
Papa.
I'm going to think of Prague.
When I see that, my family, when I see that, I start fret. Call me and say trouble there.
When I see that, I just don't come to my
Yeah,
mind.
man, trouble there.
Dunce.
Yeah? Don't.
I'm going to say that because some of my read the first two line and I get corrupt.
Yeah? Believe.
You know a corruption this, you know.
Believe them, man.
And let me know me have to say mama.
Like.
Mama, yeah, and when me I talk to mama, you know, mama say you never read my message.
She have to say back everything what she say like that blood clot. Yeah?
Because me never go so far.
Don't.
Just I choose man, you're great man. But when you see emotions, that you know. See people with the body for emotion.
Me a man's live, me not expect them things to still.
Yeah, because they live, you
It's a
know.
long distance.
We over and
Over.
bear the struggles, but if you see a regular, it makes sense to send the paragraph.
I don't want no paragraph, I want a long distance. Don't.
I true.
Yeah, bro.
I true,
I'm not
man.
telling you I got you.
But I try to make it sound good to be camera still, but I don't want a paragraph. Let's wait till the image.
Watch out now. I'll show you too. I watch out going now. You stay some books now. I have a business. I deal with. And mama have a, you have a business proposal and mama have a business proposal also. You don't now send a paragraph towards that in a bad man. I just some short message and some rare. Yeah. Some, you understand? They get the memo fast. But this blood clot, vexation thing and this feelings thing, I make you get all our 3 book. No, brother.
4.
When it gone so far?
5 book.
No, man, don't you take up your phone and call me, man.
That's your dog of about 3 book.
Take up your phone and call me,
I
man.
remember the words are small, you know.
See you more, you send the
And
message.
book, when I read the book, the words are more bigger than
Look how long it take you to set for write all them messages. When you could have just got a book and dialogue. And you see message you never said there, you know? And you never even did read it and all this, you left this pan unread.
Really?
And you,
Detective them different here. Them have everything. Believe
Everything.
or when you delete everything and you
You
even
see, I don't feel like a woman now approach
then remember hear that. Believe.
I stay there.
No woman now.
I choke once.
What
You
you
love
got
with us
for
still,
my
just
friend?
don't forget that, you love with us.
Like all the time, always and forever. But John, no, mama. Chop it, no, man.
Chop it about.
Let's be true and wise, man. Take off the fuzzy and the makeup for once, man. And be real for once, man.
Cheers to the shell.
You see? No joke. So you go. When you argue with a realness, you know, never get fakeness, man. I'm telling you that straight.
Believe
So
me,
all I want to go on like so, I want to fake up and can put on a facade and this one bag of image and this real from the ball like, you know. And I will get style and pin.
Baby, don't
That-
fall.
Oh, don't fall, because I now go hold you.
Leave.
I know so the world are cold. As to a world dog would I say, you know. You can't want the dog 70 odd man, 50 odd man, 100 odd man. How will you reach me, you get wise. Or you get smart. You want to second them, you get so smart and so wise, so fast. No man, continue doing
you
your
pass me.
Yeah man, continue doing
Yeah,
your
I know, sir. What do you mean with the
Just don't read.
with the pan?
You actually
You know,
done.
some people that so biased. And some people that say, oh, that's how we now get a good girl. But
Them are gonna
some
say
people get a
Yeah.
good girl, bro.
Yeah.
Well, she done wore out herself and that brother, I don't like them type of girl. You see what sometimes them stay some books and wore out themselves and them older than the youth then and older than the young youth and
But I got a girl that she owe out herself for me.
Yeah.
But now I owe out yourself for 100
Yeah.
hard, man.
You love them when they
I
wore
think they want to come love me.
I would know where we stand. You love them, man.
See a girl post with the upon quest time.
Yeah, I know. I
So
understand.
confident. Where the girl say, yo, to chat to 7 artists. Fuck 7 artists, you see me?
Buckle, I can't
And
better say.
still can't find a good man. No, me I say, look on this walk-in studio.
What's easy?
This a girl,
Hey man, them
Really
carry
dust
through
job.
that chunk back.
Really industrial shall come go
All
on.
peer.
this a walk-in studio, you come and tell man, say you can't find a real man. After you just confess to you.
You have no
You
cool
fuck
place like
7
2 and
artists.
AC.
Hey, all the bucket.
How the bum buckle like them?
Wicked.
You come like one of them big bum buckle like fun there in them business places.
Believe them, man.
Industrial fun will blow them the place. Eh?
Walk
And I say
in
you can't get a
studio,
good
call
man.
him a friend.
Mama, check, looking at the mirror. Mama, check yourself.
Before you wreck yourself.
You can't do it so much, man. I want to come later with me. Sit. No time.
But they just go and know, say, yo, we're just having some fun.
People fun, you know, having
No, man, we have some fun, man.
Yeah, right now,
We spend some
with
time.
them, girl.
Yeah, man.
There's me have to choose and refuse.
We know I love baby, but we
Yeah,
spend some
God.
time.
Dog have a solid stand
You have to choose
still.
and refuse your germs.
I remember say some girl saw it.
That chose the culture now in my
Yeah, you
family.
have to skip certain
Then
process.
banana level in a bro.
Make sure
Bro,
some girl skip past.
now go on in some girl. We have some type of girl, I never like see.
I
You know
remember
that
a
like,
long
some
time.
type of girl, them just have a look, I mean I like them type of girl. Once you stay so, me not like it. All if your mindset good. You don't know, me just judge you right away and just know say yo, me not like it. Can't depend on you too, you know, they can't hide, you know. Once me see you look so,
Gen
me
Z.
really in you. I see it.
Jezebel.
But now girl I say dog, I choose dog have truth in a way must say still.
Believe
You see
me.
me? But me not girl no bro. He's a man me go and play a game with them.
Yeah, man, we love the girl, let me know.
You see me?
Me I tell you, say,
You see once you know say you're not my
Skeptic
woman.
now.
You see once you know say you're not my woman. And me and your man. But we just know say yo, we know where we stand. Yeah, me go and play two ball
them
game.
girl are going like them one mates, like man and friend.
We can't take the girl them now want come talk about them have so much man and them have do so much thing and they go, you was them man.
Mad.
No. That personal chat show no. Me no defend the part.
Let me turn a pin and go and pin you.
I gotta just play the ball.
Pimping there easy, bro.
Go and pin you. God, that's not good. Now pick up you. How you go through so much, man, to go?
Them say go have it stick a bush in the car.
You can see that from them down.
But some man a take them up and turn dirty
Walk
cloth
in
in a
Sunday. Yeah, I have some
That's some man a turn
man.
dirty cloth in a dish towel. And my mother used to tell me from liquor, my bigger people in this time, I say, can't turn dirty cloth in a dish towel.
Boom, man.
So you say me grow up and me learn all them parables and them learning. You see? You know, fuck with them. If you fuck with them, you know what kind of ball game you have to do. See, correct.
No, G-man, I tell me poison yourself.
I'm not poison you. Man, show them own and come and jump themselves.
I've said they pick like from.
Then I fraud without them left. Watch out. Fraud without them left. See that?
But for real though, I'm not going to that. I'm not really mad and I get one way in that. I'm not going to say more that for you. Think in that. Going there. People are lazy for think. You see? So, me as a man I think, me always have going on my head. More I'm living there. Sometimes I live one come
Get a wood throat again, 50 when I drink.
Yeah. But people man think some of them girls have to know what they want in life. As much as though.
Yeah.
As much as though.
I want to come back in the die.
Can't drink rum.
Yeah, you know, see how that people, that's that drink back from me now. Like I say, when I drink rum, you come like, be a certain sickness like flu. But it means you catch that fast, dog. So when I drink rum, you can't catch flu, you know.
Yeah, when
Bumbo club, yeah, my dog, man. If I them start drinking rum, I drink them like a light thing, dog. I catch flu about 3 times. Yeah, me I tell you dog, I mean that I know me is a boy that eat up my protein them and them thing there, you see me?
Yeah, boss.
Healthy.
Yeah, I tell you.
My dog, healthy living.
No, you deal with mukbang, man. So them want you deal with them like you're chatting.
So what's your name?
And then understand, and them know so them don't love nobody, you know, you know, look for no love. You see, I know you have some mukbang where you know, so you have favor,
Yeah,
them just mukbang.
Some mukbang loyalty, you know, them
Yeah.
just a mukbang.
Yeah, just a mukbang.
Them loyalty you as a...
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah.
But free the man them will say they want a woman. No, so them a look a relationship. And the dog booms, book one Philip on the internet. Him and the blood clot chat is that link.
Serious.
Yeah. Then the dog go find out say, it's a mukbang.
They have good mukbang and bad mukbang.
No, what's your name man? Mukbang and mukbang with that. From your muk.
Yeah, but that can't tell you, you know.
From your muk.
You know what I mean? No allow what they say chat. We go down and push mukbang enough time. We don't know. Yes, we don't know she from fear area.
See where like you say you don't fuck girl and fuck police. You don't know if she fuck police.
When you find out, how you gonna?
No, I remember some majority time them not tell you.
No, but you find
You
out.
don't know nobody from fear side.
Alright,
Like,
say
tell
for
you,
some of
say,
the
don't
cases
have
you
police
never know,
man,
you
you
find
know,
out.
that's soldier man.
You never know, you find out where you have to do. If you never know, you find out where you have to do. You can't go on like a girl and go in your feelings.
Yeah.
You know, you have to just go say, you dig up mukbang. And then
You never know.
mukbang and deal with.
When you know it's a difference now, when
You
you don't know
you
it.
get a good share of time
But
mukbang.
when you know how you manage.
How we
When
manage
you know
it,
it, somebody got it.
we manage it like a good business.
But you
We
fuck
manage-
it already. No, watch you know. This is what me I say on the dog.
Me no go
Fuck
get
him
in
up,
my
man.
feelings.
No, you can't tell me that. You can't tell me that, G-man, because me I tell you, say, yo, you decide, say, yo, you look for something.
Them boy
And
no
you
fair
fuck.
pussy, you know.
Hello.
You know that's us.
So what you
Me I say,
know,
oh,
we
you
find
would
out so the girl is a bitch now.
you find out
She
that now.
dangerous.
Yeah, you go, yeah, like,
All I want to dog,
Five months
she fuck one nigga or she a fuck. Well, what me I go do? Up in my feelings and right. That if you, oh, you say them they get serious.
they get serious. Then you go find, you saw me I get that?
So yeah, and go find out say it's a mukbang.
It's a mukbang. But she been do it, but it don't
No,
know.
you have to just go up in your, all up in your feelings. You have to just go all up in your
Someone kill the
feelings.
girl like that, me I try show.
That a way all. That a too
Someone
much
go kill
feelings.
the
Too
girl,
much feelings.
friends.
No, me not kill
That
her.
me know, me not go kill her. I can just say,
I got the energy.
if you know,
You find out that I cut the bridge.
I cut that fuck girl.
Energy, I cut right away, man. That's what I'm telling the girl, man. Skate from early.
What you going to
If
do?
it's a mukbang, tell
We
me
might
say
not
it's a
cut it, you know.
mukbang.
We might not
If it's
cut
a rare, tell me say it's a rare.
That me like
See if it's a go-go, tell me say it's a go-go.
yeah.
Me know for adjust the situation. You see
All if you know what I tell you straight.
we go find out differently.
All if you know what I tell me straight. All if you know what I tell me straight, I'm going to say it's a go-go.
Correct.
I go find out say a go-go. You know how I can go around. I go see it, I go know the type of person.
I'll be a state
So better you just tell me who it is and what it
and
is.
now make that slide when they come to we. Now make sure we see
But-
who will be from
When I done seven now,
Oh, now I stay to myself. I stay to myself.
when I done seven now, I'm not
some
going to
relationship with last too.
see how some of them girls now.
And the connection
They
with
just
last.
must back them out as to me and see my father because they were done the child. So what you got it? When they realize they have a bitch. Well, if she's a good bitch, I know so she check for you. So I want her as a good bitch. I want her a good bitch. Understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I want her a good bitch. You see the pretty way?
That's what I'm telling you, you're bad mukbang.
So much I'm going
and
on.
good mukbang.
The way would I say now?
from your muck, can't walk.
You put her on a different something there now. Yeah man, you're a different line she right now. Shit. So you're not forget with her right away. You can just know say your woman I'm just sitting next door so you can't give her a time.
Yeah. Me
You
I
understand what I'm saying? And you try to forget your rightful share out her. As a mukbang. You see?
Kill it out.
the rightful share to walk. Yeah, you know your money how.
I told you that you want to look set.
Done.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, my mama them know what I'm
Me don't know how me that manage, you
Oh,
know. Yeah, me I tell you that. That's why me I tell you say you have to skeptic and pick and choose your germs them when you have to pick. Yeah, because right now, most I get them a muck.
I told me that I said earlier, bro.
After you a muck,
See me I live, see me I live, I'm live on all I live for.
Walk for me still.
You
Yeah, we can walk. We can walk.
Dunce.
You can walk right through, right, look, clap.
Dance, father.
I can't stay. So watch out, man. Watch out, man. How for phone? If the earphone is.
Yeah.
Hold on. Watch out, man. I'm just on the left and I live a life now. I know say yo. I make call girl thirsty feel. But you can do them things, you know, bro. We choose to not do it more and we just make some girl feel like so, you know. We can make some girl thirsty feel. That's what be the case. And I say, I'm saying family, because every girl want to see we want fuck. And we want already. Some mama may tell them this straight. And everyone I want to know what we tell us to look good and the way we look good. We just tell them that because we want to feel good. Because we love every woman.
Believe.
So I'm telling them that.
Best friend of that. See you never.
See, bring me from the side and every woman want to see we want.
Done.
But 2.5 catches in the done there, bro.
My son up block but we don't see.
When that?
Yeah, when there.
When
No, better. Roger.
I'm you have some girl and I tell you say yo. Yeah, see true. When you don't have no money and you broke and you live a certain life. You see me? You not live a certain life. So you not live a certain life, you're not going to live them life. Call them though whenever you look for you not look for. Not if you suck call the killer. You hear that? You just gotta make sure you know say yo, mad dog same day, mad dog the same material. Ah, she shoot up, she wonder how the dog now look for now. And the dog just now look for your mama. The thing not dead or something. I say pray, the thing will fuck me now.
You know, hurry and come catch people like that.
You see? Yeah. The thing will fuck me now. But if
Yeah, man, let's get a bit of sleep.
What you do like that?
Don't do me that, don't do me that. Don't do me that.
you have to build up your sleep.
Oh, she said last video man, SK now take about half a video for build up his split.
I like that man below there.
Yeah.
Give me a chat to
True,
that.
chat, man. The blue scissors there, somewhere.
Wait, ton brother.
Yo. How about Tickers? Tickers
Yeah,
God.
I can for girls too. From them have reason ability and they can work with.
Tickers are legs, huh?
You see it? From them have understanding from them. I know, so you see the type of girl you is, you know, I can't do it.
As a
I'm gonna need to tell them
Them
that
are
I'm
going to
supposed to
come
know,
to
so can't do it.
Sure.
yeah man, as I said sure.
She just remember to have extra class.
As I said, if you remember, say him up extra class.
You're a teacher, you know, man.
Extra lessons, you know.
Extra lesson.
Them things that come in yoga, you know. Stretch on them. Bend on them something.
Mathematics man.
Maths, yeah.
Take away all the
Subtraction, man.
Class I
Subtraction.
get take away.
Subtraction. So we do your fancy. People ideology them. Adopt that. Leave it.
Multiply 1 man in the instructor.
Boom.
You gotta stop while them and keep them pussy feet covered. You gotta let them talk about them. And you see man them are rip and them are rip and say, "Chow, whatever.
Church,
Them to
yeah.
stop them something like every girl.
Not church
Church
girl.
girl, I'm a church girl. Man. Every girl. See all the man are here, the man are like, yeah man, please. You know? You don't make it cobweb up then, girl. Suck your arm there. That cobweb up.
Alright, when do you read? When do you read?
Yeah, watch out man thing, man. Man of the
Judge, how much minutes left?
That's why you're going to
Oh, 37, 39.
Tap and stop.